Okay, guys, there's a new funk called Daisy Bean Funk. So, I'm gonna save it. Wait. Just look. Just look what I'm gonna send you. Papa, Daisy spelling mga Daisy.